you got the brake light warning. Well, here's how to fix it. For this you will need 13mm long socket wrench, 5mm Allen key, a small flat screwdriver. Start by checking the top reservoir, and most likely it's all okay. The main reservoir is under the hood, so you need to remove this. It's held in place by 4 bolts, 13mm. And then it's just pop up the lid and pull it towards you. And in here is the main reservoir, and there is the most likely problem. So we need to take off those 2 bolts with the Allen key. And use the flat screwdrivers to pull out those plastic holders. Then you carefully lift up. And there are 2 connectors to the display inside. They can be a bit fiddly, but just take your time and be careful, and they will come off eventually. And right here we can see the problem. The problem is that rubber gasket, you see, it's too long. It's been popped out. And that's most likely because you're riding and you're hitting some bumps. This is supposed to be not like this. This is the correct way. So that's it actually, because it is pushing I don't know what it's called, but it's pushing this down, and then the sensor is telling you that, oh, you have too low brake fluid. So that's it. That's the whole thing. So I don't know if it's a design flaw or something else, but yeah. So then it's all about putting all back together. And here you can see no more brake warning light, all fixed. So then it's all about putting it back together again, and I want to thank you all for watching, and happy riding.